This is Good Street, W1, and that's street food, as that's the location where you can get your lunch for those that walks around there. And as you can tell, they're all prepping, getting ready for the afternoon lunch. And this is Koiki Media bringing the world closer to your doorstep. And these are all the food being prepared, getting ready for the lunch. How you doing? That's fella, is it? Fella. Huh? Okay, so you can see. He's gonna charge me £5 for that. And if you're in Good Street, make sure you come down for your fella. And there's a fresh